Okay, so let's take a look at the Bitcoin. Do we have any kind of idea if Bitcoin is ready to go back to the upside, or is this just in a neutral category? So let's take a look at this breakdown. This was a beautiful breakdown to the downside. We identified this. Actually, we had a signal, price closing below the signal line, sentiment 2, sentiment 3, telling us that Bitcoin is likely to break hard to the downside. We drew the fibs right here. So let me draw that up here. And so from if you take this most recent swing low to swing high, you notice we came back actually 78.6% retracement. It tagged it and then it bounced back up to the upside. Now, the question is, are we ready to go back to the upside, or is Bitcoin likely to fail here and then go back and revisit some of these numbers? And so right now it is looks like the cloud is still red. We have red candles. We're below the cloud right here. We have sentiment 2 that's pulling us to the upside, but sentiment 3 is not really indicating anything. And so, if anything, Bitcoin right now is in a neutral zone. We don't know if this is actually going to give us a buy signal. Unlike what we had here, it was a perfect, beautiful buy signal right here, and then Bitcoin, climbed back to the upside. This was a questionable thing. We knew that Bitcoin is likely to fail at a touch of this cloud right here, and that's exactly what happened. Second, if you wanted to sell Bitcoin, this was an opportunity right here at 65, and then we go down to 50. So 15 some odd thousand points in Bitcoin, and now we're just sitting. We don't know. We need more information to be able to determine whether Bitcoin is likely to go back to the upside or to the downside. So right now it's on a Bitcoin is on hold. We don't know, and we are going to sit on the sidelines until something happens. So I hope this helps. I will see you at the next update. Take care.